Good morning, guys. How are you? I'm here again, the teacher Natalia. Today we're going to learn how to give recommendations about disease. Then, read, listen, and practice. First, we can give recommendation when someone is sick. We can say, drink a lot of water and fruit juice. Eat a lot of oranges for vitamin C. Drink hot water with honey and lemon. Take a medicine. Take a pill. Take your temperature. Go to the doctor. Wear warm clothing. We shouldn't recommend this. Don't eat a lot of sweets. Don't drink soda. Don't drink wine. Don't wear light clothing. Don't self-medicate. Now, we can give recommendations to prevent an ill, to prevent that someone has a disease. We can say, wear warm clothing, eat vegetables and fruits, eat healthy food, drink a lot of water, do exercise 4 times a week, sleep 7 or 8 hours every night, walk every day. We shouldn't recommend. Don't drink alcohol. Don't smoke. Don't stay up late. Don't eat junk food. Don't spend your time sitting in front of the TV. Now, the imperatives. The imperative sentences are used to give an order, a command, a recommendation, or an advice. The form of the imperative is the base form of the main verb, which is used without the subject. For example, drink hot water without honey and lemon. Take a medicine. Take a pill. To express advices in the negative form, it uses the auxiliary verb of the simple present in the negative form. Don't drink hot water with honey and lemon. Don't take a medicine. Don't take a pill. Then it's easy, it's not hard. Please practice. If you don't understand well, you can go back into the recorder. Now, finally, we are going to watch the following video. In order, you are going to take notes. Please go to the video. You can go here, or maybe you can go by the link. I see you next time. See you in the next class. Have fun. That's all for today.